Hello, everyone. Welcome to our Slow English podcast. Today's lesson is called Learn English Without Stress. This podcast is for beginners. We speak slowly. We use simple words. You can relax. You can learn without stress. Take a deep breath. Breathe in and breathe out. Good. Let's begin our calm English lesson. Part 1. Learning without stress. Many people feel stress when learning English. They worry about mistakes. They worry about speaking. But learning English can be calm. You do not need to be perfect. You only need to practice. Small steps are enough. Repeat after me. I learn English without stress. Pause. I practice slowly. Pause. I improve every day. Very good. Part 2. Slow listening practice. Now just listen. Do not repeat yet. I sit in a quiet place. I close my eyes. I listen to soft English. Listen again. I sit in a quiet place. I close my eyes. I listen to soft English. Good. Now repeat after me. I sit in a quiet place. Pause. I close my eyes. Pause. I listen to soft English. Excellent. Part 3. Calm learning words. Now let's learn some easy words. Listen first. Relax. Calm. Practice. Learn. Enjoy. Now repeat. Relax. Calm. Practice. Learn. Enjoy. Great. Now make sentences. I feel calm when I learn. Pause. I practice every day. Pause. I enjoy learning English. Repeat with me. Very good. Part 4. Simple conversation. Now listen to a short conversation. A. Hello. B. Hello. Are you learning English? B. Yes, I am. Do you feel stress? B. Number. I feel calm. Now repeat. Hello. Pause. Are you learning English? Pause. Yes, I am. Pause. I feel calm. Excellent. Now say the conversation together. Hello. Hello. Are you learning English? Yes, I am. Do you feel stress? Number. I feel calm. Great job. Part 5. Listening story. Now listen to a short story. This is Tom. Tom wants to learn English. At first, he feels stress. He wants to learn fast. He wants to be perfect. But this makes learning difficult. Then Tom changes his way. He starts learning slowly. He listens to English every day. He practices simple sentences. He does not worry about mistakes. After some weeks, Tom feels calm. He understands more English. He enjoys learning. Now answer these questions. Who wants to learn English? Pause. Tom. Did Tom feel stress before? Pause. Yes. Does he feel calm now? Pause. Yes, he does. Very good. Part 6. Speaking practice. Now it is your turn. Answer these questions aloud. Do you feel stress when learning English? Pause. How do you practice English? Pause. Good job. Now repeat these sentences. I learn without stress. Pause. I practice every day. Pause. I enjoy learning English. Excellent. Part 7. Simple daily routine. Here is a calm routine. Step 1. Listen for 10 minutes. Step 2. Repeat 5 sentences. Step 3. Speak 3 sentences. This simple routine is enough. Repeat after me. I listen every day. Pause. I practice slowly. Pause. I learn with calm. Very good. Part 8. Relaxed listening. Now just listen and relax. Learning English is a journey. You do not need to hurry. Every small step is progress. Every day you practice, you become better. Mistakes are okay. Learning slowly is good. You are improving right now. Feel calm. Feel confident. Be proud of yourself. Final practice. Repeat these sentences. I can learn English. Pause. I practice every day. Pause. I feel calm and confident. Wonderful. Closing. Thank you for listening today. Remember, you can learn English without stress. Listen slowly. Practice every day. Enjoy the journey. See you in the next lesson. Goodbye.